I'm going to go ahead and show you the spelling homework so you have an idea of what to do if you have questions about any of the directions in the spelling notebook. The spelling notebook will come home every Friday with a new list of 15 words. The first 10 words will be a spelling pattern, just like this one here. The first 10 will follow a set pattern for the week, and the second 5 that are in bold, 11 through 15, will be sight words, words that your child should quickly be able to read and to write, and they will not follow a pattern. This week you will see that our words are the short vowel words, a review list, and a review week. These will be the words they will be tested on. I know a little different than first grade. This is a set list like you traditionally would know. In the front of your child's spelling book, here is the spelling homework directions. It explains that there's 3 activities using all 15 words must be done each week. Again, I give you choice. I send it home to you on a Friday. It's due back to me the following Thursday. So you have 6 nights to complete 3 activities. It allows you to work best for your child's learning style, and it allows you to do homework that works best for you and your family schedule. Here are some tips on how to help your child find the spelling patterns. Take a peek at this and use this with your child to help you. Let me know if you have any questions. Each month, your child will get a menu. I explained it to them just like you go out to dinner and there's a menu. This is their spelling menu. Again, it's choose 3 different activities using all of your spelling words. Please remind them to take their time to write neatly and to do their best work. Here are the 6 activities. You must select 3 different activities. The first one is self-explanatory. They need to write each word 3 times each in pencil. The second one is to type each of the words 3 times each and print it. Please print it and glue it or staple it or tape it into the book so that I know your child has done it. So let me go through and show you, here are directions for the activities. Let me show you what they look like. Your child also has an example in the book to give you an idea as well. So here is this week's list. 3 times each. Please, when your child picks an activity, please label the top of each page so that it makes it easier for me to know what activity it is and keeps them organized. So they would write the word 3 times each. They can go down the list and you can use 2 columns to save the paper. For your second activity, please make sure each activity is done on a separate page. It helps the students be organized. It helps the work to be neat. Rhyming words. So I've labeled it at the top of the page and underlined it. Rhyming words, you're first going to write the spelling word, and then you need to write a rhyming word. The rhyming word needs to be a word that follows the same spelling pattern. It needs to sound the same and be spelled the same. So drum, gum. I taught the children a great tool to use if they're trying to come up with a real word. To go through the alphabet and to put each letter of the alphabet in front of the word to help them brainstorm if they get stuck. So here we have drum and gum. It is a real word and it ends in the UM spelling pattern. Here is rock, the spelling word. The students came up with dock. Again, it has the same spelling pattern. So that's rhyming words. Partner add a letter is just as it sounds. Again, we've labeled the top of the page. So when you do partner add a letter, one person is going to write a letter, then the next person will write the letter. So if we look at something here, if we were doing the word list, I would write the letter, then my buddy would write, then the student would write the letter, I would write the letter, the student would write the letter. Again, it all needs to be done in pencil, please. Colored vowels. They're going to write it, and at the top of the page today we wrote the letters, the vowels, in red to help the students as a visual, as a tool to remind them of the vowels. As you can see, we first wrote the word in pencil, then the vowels we traced over in red, and the consonants we traced over in blue. And rainbow words, again we've labeled the page, and for rainbow words, you're first going to write the word in pencil. Then you're going to roll the dice. And in this case, I rolled a 5. So I need to select 5 different colors to trace over the word to make it look like a rainbow. So I'm going to pick up my first color and trace the whole word in that one color. Then I'm going to pick up my second color and trace over the whole word in that. Then I'm going to pick up my third, trace over the whole word, and I would repeat that with my fourth and fifth color, tracing the whole word. So here is an example of all 6 spelling activities that are on the September menu and how to set up the book. You're picking 3 activities, 1 activity on each page. Please make sure the name of the activity is at the top and it's done neatly. The spelling book is due to me each Thursday. The spelling test will be on Thursday and the new words will come home every Friday. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.